Chapter 23, Electronic Payment. In this chapter, you are going to learn how to maintain company bank account for e-payment, process electronic payment, download the XT file for submission, and last one, download the XT file for bank payment. Okay, so before we proceed with task 23.1, there's a note there which is monthly deduction of EPF borang A, SOXO borang A, SOXO borang AE, and EIS and LHDN CP39 shall be submitted online, and payment shall be made via electronic payment with company bank account, Malayan Banking Berhad. So to do task 23.1, which is to maintain company bank account for e-payment, you need to go to the tools. Okay, after that you need to go to the company profile. Okay, under company profile, you need to go to your bank account here. Okay, so here you have to make sure that you have maintained at least one bank account. If you don't have any bank account, you need to add a new bank. But if you have, then if let's say this is the only bank account that your company have for the payment purpose, then you just use the Malayan Banking Berhad. But if let's say you have another bank that you want to use for the e-payment, then you need to add the new one as well. Okay, so that is for the bank, so you just click on save. The next task, which is 23.2, is to process the electronic payment. To process electronic payment, we need to go to the payroll, and after that payroll management, and then you can see there's an electronic payment. So click on the electronic payment. So you can see payment month. Okay, you have to choose which month that you prefer to generate the electronic payment. So currently we are generating the April, for example. So after I choose April, okay, by right, when you already process the payroll, the processor will come out here. For example, I give you example, because just now we haven't commit any processor yet. So let's try the one processor for Tom Cruise. So I commit all. So when I go back to the electronic payment, so when I choose payment month April, you can see there's a one processor here, which is month end second half for April 2020. Okay, so this is, if let's say you have few, you have to select which payroll that you you wish to process. So after you have done, then only you go to the bottom here. On your left side there is a government file, and on your right side is the bank payment file. Okay, so any form that you feel you want to download and pay to the government, okay, you can just click on the download button. For example, for task 23.3, click on download to download the following data.txt file for submission purpose. In bracket, you may later upload this file for submission at their official website respectively. Okay, so all these file you need to download later on, not you direct link do the payment here. No. So for example, I download EPF borang A. So I go to zip, open. Okay, this is actually the EPF borang A file. So we may need to submit this to the EPF website later on. The same goes to the bank payment file. Okay, so let's say I want to process the EIS, so I just click on download, open. Okay, you show the example. So this is the file as well, txt file. Okay, so you don't confuse that all the payment is made directly from the system. No, you have to download first, and then you have to go to their respective website and upload the file. Okay, so that is actually how you do the e-payment, meaning you download the file for the